Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best dipping oil is probably one of the most versatile and delicious additions you can make to your pantry, transforming simple bread, vegetables, and even grilled meats into gourmet experiences with just a drizzle. Whether you're a seasoned chef looking to elevate your appetizer game or a home cook seeking a quick and flavorful way to impress guests, the right dipping oil can be a game changer, offering a symphony of tastes and aromas that dance on your palate. It's more than just a condiment, it's an invitation to explore a world of culinary possibilities, making every meal an occasion to savor and enjoy. Number 5. FryAway Cooking Oil Solidifier. Tired of messy cooking oil disposal? FryAway offers a revolutionary, plant-based solution to solidify your used cooking oil into organic waste. It's the easy and eco-friendly way to manage grease. Using it is incredibly simple. Just ensure your oil is hot, sprinkle in the solidifier, whisk until dissolved, and let it cool. You'll have hardened oil ready for easy disposal, no more clogged drains or greasy messes. This 100% plant-based powder is safe for all cooking oils. It naturally breaks down within 30 days, offering a sustainable alternative to improper oil disposal and reducing landfill waste. Whether you're pan-frying small batches or deep-frying larger quantities, there's a FryAway size for you. It perfectly matches your cooking needs, ensuring a clean disposal every time. Proudly made in the USA and certified kosher, it's more than just a product. It's a mission to end improper oil disposal, with a portion of profit supporting water conservation. Say goodbye to paper towels and foil for oil absorption. This earth-friendly solution provides a cleaner, more sustainable way to manage your cooking oil waste without contributing to landfills. What we like? Tired of messy oil disposal? This plant-based solidifier turns liquid oil into a solid for easy cleanup. If you hate clogged drains and greasy messes, you should consider this. It's perfect for anyone looking for a sustainable and convenient way to manage cooking oil waste. What people say. The powder quickly transforms used cooking oil into a solid, making disposal a breeze. Simply sprinkle the powder over the cooled oil, wait for it to solidify, and then scoop it out for easy disposal. Solidifies vegetable oil in a margarine-like consistency to be thrown away cleanly in compost bin. Number 4. BASSO 1904 Infused Extra Virgin Olive Oil Gift Box Set. Experience the exquisite taste of BASSO 1904. This gift box set features a variety of naturally infused extra virgin olive oils. Our oils are crafted using the first cold pressing method, ensuring the purest flavor and highest quality. Explore a range of delicious infusions perfect for any culinary creation. This set offers a delightful tasting experience. Elevate your meals with these versatile oils. They are ideal for dipping bread, drizzling over dishes, or simply tasting their unique flavors. Presented in a beautiful gift box, this set makes a wonderful present for any food lover. Share the gift of exceptional flavor. Each set includes 4 8.5 FL 250 milliliters bottles, providing ample supply for your kitchen. Enjoy the convenience and quality. What we like? Elevate your dipping experience with this premium infused olive oil. Each bottle is naturally flavored, offering a delightful taste for any occasion. If you are looking for a sophisticated and flavorful addition to your meals, this variety pack is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate high-quality ingredients and enjoy exploring different taste profiles. What people say. The garlic oil is really tasty, the rosemary is nice as well. High-grade olive oil that enhances any dish. We fried some chicken breasts in the rosemary oil and it really enhanced the flavor. These oils contain lovely herbs and spices, which really enhance the flavor. They are a great add to salads calling for oil or as a base for dipping oil with bread. Number 3. Alessi Tip and Grind Herb Grinder. Introducing the Alessi Tip and Grind. Elevate your culinary creations with freshly ground herbs and spices, ready at your fingertips. This versatile grinder is ideal for preparing seasoned oils for dipping. Add a burst of flavor to your appetizers and meals. Its innovative design allows for easy, one-handed operation. Simply tip and grind to release aromatic flavors. Designed with Alessi's signature style, it looks great on any kitchen counter or dining table. It's the perfect blend of form and function. Experiment with different herbs and spices to discover new taste sensations. This grinder makes it simple to infuse your dishes with personalized flavor. Experience the difference fresh grinding makes. Get your Alessi tip and grind today and transform your cooking. What we like. Add a burst of fresh flavor to your olive oil with this innovative grinder. It's designed to perfectly complement your favorite oils, allowing for customized seasoning. If you enjoy experimenting with flavors and want a simple way to enhance your dishes, this is the product for you. It's perfect for garlic lovers and those who like to add a personal touch to their culinary creations. What people say. The grinder is easy to use and just enough comes out with each turn. The quality is top-notch, perfect blend of salt, smells amazing, and the flavor is delicious, too. We sprinkle them in olive oil for dipping bread at dinner. We've also used them in homemade salad dressing, pasta sauces, and marinades for chicken. This spice blend tastes just like what is served with bread and olive oil at Caraba's Italian grill. This is my favorite seasoning for all kinds of things, not just dipping oil. Number 2. Viva Oliva 660 ml Variety Gift Set. Experience the exquisite taste of our Viva Oliva 660 ml Variety Gift Set. It's a curated collection designed to elevate your culinary creations. Indulge in our premium, extra virgin olive oils, infused with delightful flavors like Tuscan herb, basil, and mushroom and sage. They add a rich depth to any dish. Complement your meals with our all-natural balsamic vinegars. We offer an 18-year traditional, zesty grapefruit, and sweet black mission fig varieties. This set makes an ideal gift for anyone who appreciates fine food. It's a thoughtful way to share gourmet flavors. Transform your everyday cooking into a gourmet experience with these exceptional oils and vinegars. They are perfect for dressings, marinades, and finishing dishes. Discover the vibrant and authentic tastes that only quality ingredients can provide. You'll taste the difference in every drop. What we like. Discover a world of taste with this exquisite set of flavored olive oils and balsamic vinegars. It offers a curated selection for a truly gourmet experience. If you are searching for a luxurious gift or want to impress your guests with unique flavors, this variety set is a fantastic option. It's ideal for food enthusiasts who appreciate the finer things and enjoy pairing complex flavors. What people say. She loves infused olive oils and this made her cooking go to a new level. From start to plating she said this was the perfect gift for anyone that enjoys cooking with new flavors. Got this for a holiday gift and so far have been very pleased with the taste of the oil and balsamic vinegar. Number 1. Dean Jacobs Bread Dipping Collection. Discover the exquisite taste of Dean Jacobs Bread Dipping Collection. This set of 4 unique tins offers a gourmet experience for any occasion. Each tin is carefully curated to provide a distinct and delicious flavor profile. It's the perfect way to impress your guests or treat yourself. This collection is ideal for gatherings, parties, or simply enjoying a quiet evening. Share the delightful flavors with friends and family. Explore a variety of tastes designed to complement any bread. You'll find a new favorite in this thoughtfully assembled set. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This bread dipping collection is a unique and delicious present that anyone would appreciate. What we like. Savor the simple pleasure of delicious bread with this curated dipping collection. Each tin offers a unique flavor profile to enhance your bread experience. If you love serving appetizers or enjoy a flavorful snack, this set is a must-have. It's perfect for gatherings or for anyone who wants to add an extra layer of deliciousness to their bread. What people say. Love the different flavors that you can add to your cooking or to your oil dipping. The variety is great, recommend highly. No matter whether these are used as flavorings on other things, these are especially delicious added to olive oil and used for a bread dip. I use these not just for dipping, but also for cooking. Perfect combination of herbs and spices. Tuscan is our favorite. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.